Welcome to Western Maine, where privacy, comfort, and long-term value all come together in one incredible property. Today, I'm showing you a beautifully renovated off-grid cabin set right here on 60 surveyed acres of private woodland. From this perch, you'll enjoy sweeping views of Tumbledown Mountain, yet you're just minutes from the town of Weld, Webb Lake, and some of the best outdoor recreation Maine has to offer. Step inside with me. The cabin has been recently updated for year-round living. That means modern electrical and plumbing, refinements throughout, and plenty of rustic character. Wide plank wood floors set the tone, while the open concept kitchen and living area are filled with natural light pouring in through large windows. The whole space feels warm, inviting, and perfectly balanced between rugged and refined. Head upstairs and you'll find a spacious bedroom with generous storage and those stunning westerly mountain views that make every sunrise and sunset unforgettable. And below, the daylight basement offers additional space, whether you're looking to finish it for extra living, create a rec room, or use it for storage. From there, step right out into a landscaped yard with a small man-made pond, the perfect backdrop for relaxing evenings or quiet mornings. But as impressive as the cabin is, the land itself is the true star here. 60 acres, fully surveyed, offering not just privacy but also long-term opportunity. You've got potential timber value, options for development, and even room to add more cabins, create your own trails, or design recreational facilities. Whether you dream of a family compound, a retreat destination, or simply want to hold land as a smart investment, this property gives you that flexibility. Recreation is right at your fingertips. Trails nearby make snowmobiling easy, while hiking, fishing, and hunting are just steps away. And if you love skiing, you're within an hour's drive of both Sugarloaf and Saddleback resorts. That makes this cabin not just a home, but a four-season lifestyle. And here's the best part. While it feels like you're tucked away in your own wilderness escape, you're never far from town conveniences. Weld and surrounding communities are just minutes away, giving you the perfect mix of privacy and accessibility. So, whether you're looking for a peaceful mountain getaway, a year-round home, or an investment in Maine's future, this is the property that checks all the boxes. Come see for yourself. Your